Mine is Robin.
My name is Captain Daddy. I don't know if there's any kids around here. I've got to look and see if I find any kids.
The captain is wrong. There's actually a space monkey and my little sister, mermaid girl, and shark doggy.
No, I ate it.
My name is Cooper. This is my little sister is gonna get eaten. That's why I'm so hungry. Then go get some food, okay?
And get some doggy food.
Then go get some shark food, okay?
Okay, bye.
Also the shark.
I'm gonna go downstairs now and find these kids. I thought I saw a space monkey and a mermaid girl and a shark robot guy.
Yummy. Oh no. Oh no, no. Guys, let's get upstairs, quick. Ah! Yeah.
Hey,
Oof.
where did those guys go? I gotta go upstairs. I see y'all now.
This is Cooper. I want to eat your daddy. Nom nom nom. Okay, I think we should not do that.